Hello guys, my name is Shobi and this is part 2 of my life in the USA working as a rad tech. Today I'm going to share with you what it took me to come here in the United States. Education, credentials, how many years experience. First, the credentials. You need to have to pass your state board exam. We took the state board exam and you have to pass that. Next, transcript of records. Yes, they evaluated my transcript of records and see if my education in the Philippines were at par with education in the United States. You have to have 2 years experience. I really did not have that kind of experience. What I did is I volunteered and then my clinical was accepted as an experience. So what are my struggles working here in the United States? The thing with that is that the workplace, I never had experience with all those machines they were using. I was trying to figure out everything by myself rather than being trained. That's my number one mistake. If you come here in the United States, you really need to be open. You really need to learn. My advice to you is be prepared. In my 4th year in college, before my graduation, there was an opportunity to take the American State Board exams, and I took that opportunity. I took the risk of not earning too much money and just volunteer and work in any type of hospital.